but it's the best way to go. Oh, come on. Hey you, don't fall in this hurricane. I know, there is hope in your hand. Move on, it's just the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can try again. Lights may blind you, the crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. Free might take you higher, not a new fake post, honey, you're crying. Feel the wisdom floating over your heads, and I feel alright when I see you and I coming together to another dimension. We can prove our lives, there will be no mistake in love. Why do we all have to cry before we reach the limit ascension? Learning from the ups and downs is not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Uh-huh. Come on. And I feel alright when I see you and I going together to another dimension.